In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Google AdSense account once it has been deactivated using the best method available for 2025. If you found your account deactivated, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of getting it back up and running. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First things first, let's head over to the Google AdSense website. You can easily find it by searching for Google AdSense Earn Website Monetization in your preferred search engine. This will take you to the official AdSense landing page where the magic begins. On the homepage, there's a prominent button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This step is pretty straightforward but crucial as it will direct you to the page where you can begin the process of reactivating your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the AdSense homepage. It's a familiar place if you've been using AdSense before, but if not, it's quite intuitive. Now, there will be several tabs and features highlighted for you, but our focus today is on reactivation, so keep an eye out for the section that says Enter Your Information. This is where you'll complete the necessary details to reactivate your account. When you're in the Enter Your Information section, you'll be prompted to input some required details. Make sure to fill everything accurately. This is an essential step, so take your time to ensure that all the information provided is correct and matches your records. Mistakes here might delay the reactivation process, and nobody wants that frustration. After completing the information, just hit Submit, and there you go. Google will start reviewing the information you have provided. This part of the process requires a bit of patience, as reviews can vary in time depending on the complexity of your case. Keep an eye on your email for any communication from Google regarding your account status. Typically, they will inform you about the decision or need for any additional information. While waiting, ensure that your website or YouTube channel complies with Google's policies to prevent any further issues. It's always good to double check the content of your website to make sure everything aligns with the policies. Also, make sure any previous violations are resolved. This might include removing invalid traffic or adjusting the content that previously violated AdSense policies. And there you have it, everything you need to know to reactivate your Google AdSense account in 2025. It's not overly complicated, but it does require attention to detail and a little patience. If done correctly, you'll soon have your account reactivated and ready to earn again. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your account is back online in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy monetizing.